Which one makes you sound native? Wait for or wait on? Here is the fast fix. You wait for things like a bus, a call, or a delivery. You wait on people like serving customers in a restaurant, so you say, "I'll wait for your email," but not, "I'll wait on your email." One exception, informal American English sometimes uses waiting on for objects like waiting on the delivery. But here is the rule to sound pro: wait for things, wait on people. Got it? For bite-sized English tips like this, visit Ed Ian on Telegram, drop by and hit subscribe. Berries.